Hello everyone, welcome to Math Tracker YouTube channel.
Good morning children. Our today's topic is compare and order, that is S3 from block 1. So today we are going to learn about comparing and ordering numbers. Comparing numbers is nothing but deciding if numbers are larger, smaller or the same. So we are going to use these three symbols to compare the numbers. You have already learned comparing numbers in your third standard itself. Now we are going to just recall it. So comparing numbers is to examine numbers to see if they are greater than, less than or equal to other numbers. So this is the less than symbol, this is the greater than symbol, then this is the equal to symbol. Whenever we write less than symbol, the lesser number, that is the smaller number should comes first, then you have to write the less than symbol, then you have to write greater number. The same way, whenever we write greater than symbol, the greater number should comes first, then greater than symbol, then smaller number. Okay, you have to keep this in your mind whenever you write less than and greater than symbols. It is easy to compare numbers which have different number of digits. So now look at these two numbers, 45,576 and 4,030. We can easily identify which one is the smaller number, which one is the greater number here. So now the first step is you have to find out the number of digits. So first ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. So totally 5 digits are there. The same way 4030. Ones, tens, hundreds, 1000. So totally 4 digits are there. So 4030 is the smaller number because it has 4 digits. The same way 45,576 is the greater number because it has 5 digits. So whenever we compare two numbers which have the different number of digits, it is easy to find out the smaller number or greater number. So now we are going to put symbol. So 45,576 greater than 4030. I have already told you whenever we write greater than symbol, the greater number should comes first. So 45,575 greater than 4030. When the number of digits is same, start comparing two numbers by starting from the highest place value. So the larger digit in the first place shows the greatest number. So for example, now we are going to compare these two numbers, 67,18,920 and 67,45,905. So the first step you have to check whether the number of digits is same or not. So now we are going to write the place value to find out the number of digits. So ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs. So the number of digits is same. In both numbers have the number of digits as 7 as same. Now we are going to find out the highest place value. What is the highest place value here? 10 lakhs. So now we are going to start from the place value of 10 lakhs. So what is the number in the place value of 10 lakhs? 6. Okay, in the both numbers is 6. So these numbers are same. Now look at the next place value is lakhs. So 7, 7. This one also same. Then look at the next one, 1, 4. So which one is the smaller number? 1. So 1 less than 4. So the answer is 67 lakhs 18,920 less than 67 lakhs 45,905. Because 1 is the smaller number. So that whole number 67 lakhs 18,920 is the smaller number. Okay, we can compare numbers by these ways: writing place value chart by plotting numbers on a number line, then by making an abacus. So we can use these three ways. Okay, today we are going to use the only one way, that is writing place value chart. Okay, ordering numbers. To order more than two numbers in the increasing or decreasing order, start looking from the highest place value and then move on to its right. So we can arrange numbers in both the increasing and decreasing order. So increasing order, that is ascending order, is when numbers are arranged from smallest to largest number. Then descending order or decreasing order is when numbers are arranged from largest to smallest. So now we are going to see what is a place value chart. So this is the place value chart. The first row of the place value chart is we have to write the place value. Okay, ones, tens, like that. So the first row contains the place value of the numbers. Then the remaining rows contains the numbers. Okay, we will see on example. So example 1, compare and order. They have given three numbers. Now we are going to compare these three numbers and ordering these three numbers. So the first step is we have to draw one place value chart. The first row you have to write ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs. Okay. Now we are going to fill the table. So first number 78 lakhs 45,639. Then the next number 86 lakhs 11,387. Then the next number 78 lakhs 45,963. So first we have to find out the highest place value. So what is the highest place value here? 10 lakhs. Okay. Now we are going to compare the numbers in the 10 lakhs. So 7, 8, 7. So what is the biggest number here? 8. So we can say that the number which has the 8 as 10 lakhs place value. So that is 86 lakhs 11,387 is the biggest number here. Okay. Now we have to omit this number. Then we have to compare the remaining two numbers. Okay. So look at the 10 lakhs place value. 7, 7. So they both are same. Now look at the lakhs place value. 8, 8. This one also same. Then look at the next place value. 10,000. 4, 4. This one also same. Now look at the 1000 place value. 5, 5. This one also same. Now look at the next place value, that is 100 place value. 6, 9. Among these two numbers 6 and 9, which one is the smaller number? 6. Which one is the bigger number? 9. So 6 less than 9. So we can say that the smallest number is 78 lakhs 45,639. So we can write the increasing order, that is ascending order. The smallest number. What is the smallest number here? 78 lakhs 45,639. What is the next number? 78 lakhs 45,963. Then the biggest number, that is 86 lakhs 11,387. So the decreasing order is, first you have to write the biggest number. So 86 lakhs 11,387 greater than 78 lakhs 45,963, then greater than 78 lakhs 45,639. Okay. So this is how we have to find out the smallest number and biggest number, then we can order.